Welcome to the luxury bathroom design trends shaping elegant homes in 2026. In 2026, natural materials like stone, wood, and linen define the heart of luxury bathroom design. Modern bathrooms are no longer functional spaces, they are private wellness retreats. Freestanding bathtubs become sculptural centerpieces in luxury bathrooms. Floating vanities create a light, clean look while adding elegant, modern functionality. Walk-in rain showers offer an immersive spa experience inside modern homes. Large format tiles create seamless surfaces that enhance the sense of space and elegance. Layered lighting transforms bathrooms into warm and relaxing evening spaces. Natural stone feature walls turn bathrooms into elegant architectural showcases. Warm, neutral tones create timeless luxury and a calming bathroom atmosphere. Large glass windows bring natural light and connect luxury bathrooms with outdoor scenery. Double shower spaces bring comfort and convenience to modern luxury bathrooms. Hidden storage keeps luxury bathrooms clean, organized, and visually uncluttered. Many homeowners now recreate five-star hotel bathrooms inside their homes. Japanese spa inspiration brings calm, balance, and mindfulness into modern bathrooms. Smart technology quietly enhances comfort and convenience in luxury bathrooms. Mixing metal finishes adds depth and personality to luxury bathroom interiors. Indoor plants add life and freshness to modern luxury bathrooms. Open layouts create a sense of spaciousness in modern luxury bathrooms. Textured surfaces add depth and architectural elegance to bathroom interiors. Marble continues to define timeless luxury in modern bathroom interiors. Glass partitions keep the space open while maintaining clear functional zones. Curved shapes soften bathroom spaces and bring a modern, organic feel. Stone vessel sinks add natural texture and handcrafted character to luxury bathrooms. Indirect lighting creates a soft and relaxing atmosphere for evening routines. Modern bathrooms now include relaxation corners designed for wellness and comfort. Skylights bring abundant daylight into luxury bathrooms. Warm wood accents balanced stone surfaces and create a welcoming atmosphere. Luxury bathrooms in 2026 blend comfort, elegance, and natural materials. Discover the beauty of thoughtful design and create your own luxurious bathroom retreat. Discover the beauty of thoughtful design and create your own luxurious bathroom retreat. Elevated bathtub platforms turn bathing areas into elegant focal points. Architectural ceilings add depth and sophistication to luxury bathrooms. Large mirrors expand visual space and enhance natural light in the bathroom. Statement lighting transforms bathrooms into elegant design showcases. Built-in seating brings comfort and relaxation to luxury bathroom spaces. Sculptural sinks add artistic elegance to modern bathroom interiors. Combining different textures creates depth and visual richness in luxury bathrooms. True luxury comes from balance, comfort, and thoughtful design. Design a bathroom that feels like a private luxury retreat.